There's a list about a mile long of all the things you're not allowed to put in your checked bag, but when it comes to what random stuff an airline can put in there, I guess anything goes? I'm Jen Markham on Buzz60. Canadian photographer Nicole Ashley Squires tells CBC News she checked a bag when she flew from Edmonton to Kelowna, BC on WestJet. But when she opened her suitcase at her hotel, in addition to all her stuff intact, she found someone had stuffed a soiled men's hoodie, jeans, shoes, and slippers inside, as well as 5 unopened cans of Coors Light. When Squires tweeted about the find, asking WestJet to explain, the airline was blasé, merely replying with, "What happens in Vegas?" So WestJet doesn't just not understand how airport security works, it also doesn't understand how Twitter works. Because that response guaranteed the story made international headlines, forcing WestJet to come up with a serious explanation, telling Squires workers put the items in her suitcase because they mistakenly believed they'd fallen out of her bag. I just want to know why airlines are the only ones allowed to joke about airport security, because I gotta tell you, the last time I was at O'Hare and said to the woman in front of me I thought her shoes were da bomb, you know, there wasn't one employee at either the metal detectors or in that little room I got to spend several hours in afterwards. I thought that was at all funny. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.